The SRT8 is the hottest car Chrysler makes. This HEMI with super low miles is one of the best buys on the market. The huge power sunroof and SRT wheels makes this bad boy stand alone. A large trunk with a hidden subwoofer makes the stereo rock. Take this beautiful Hemi for a spin and see why it's the performance car by Chrysler. Contact Internet Sales 877-700-7018. Emotion Motorsports, specializing in highline vehicles, including Maserati, Porsche, Ferrari, Lamborghini, Bentley, Rolls-Royce, Aston Martin, Lotus, and more. Drive your passion.